Why do 80% of PS5 owners struggle with Bluetooth headphones? Here's the secret solution. First, you'll need a Bluetooth adapter. Make sure it's compatible with your PS5. Bluetooth 5.0 or later is a safe bet. Plug that adapter into one of your PS5's USB ports. Next, turn on your Bluetooth headphones and put them into pairing mode. Usually, a flashing light means they're ready. Now grab your PS5 controller and go to Settings. Sound, Audio Devices, Output Device. The PS5 will search for your Bluetooth adapter. Select it as your output device. Your PS5 will then search for available Bluetooth devices. When your headphones pop up, select them to connect. Finally, tweak the audio settings to make sure everything's perfect. Go to Settings, Sound, and adjust settings like Output Device, Microphone Input, and Chat Audio. And there you have it. You've just connected your Bluetooth headphones to your PS5.